guys, so we're in Lamai, 13 April. As you know, it's Songkran day, so it's new Thai New Year, sorry. Let's go have a look how it's Lamai today. Of course, it's not normal situation because of COVID, so you don't have like a big water better, but it's not bad because people are enjoying. Let's go to have a look.
APRs, but it's okay.
Check here for sure.
Okay, let's go! Let's go! Sorry.
Oh, it's good. So it's a really hot day today, so it's quite good to get some water, but normally, you know, it's full of people, full of cars, people on both sides of the street. But because of COVID, normally you cannot make any celebrations, so we don't expect to be like a crazy day, but it's already nice to see people enjoying around.
It's complicated to make a video and
Bonne année, ça va? Bonne année.
Happy Songkran!
Vous mettez des seaux d'eau, ok. Ça va, tout va bien? Ouais.
Ah, it's my
Ça
heart.
fait plaisir un peu quand même, même si c'est pas normal. Ouais, voilà.
Ah,
Ouais, ça me saoule. Mais bon, ça va qu'il fait,
pick up.
il fait chaud. Il fait chaud.
Ciao, ciao,
À
à
bientôt.
bientôt.
Ciao, ciao. So yes, it was a friend guy.
Not cold!
That's why I don't like, yes, I don't like it. They use cold, but sometimes people use it with ice. So if they think it's like funny, but not so
With
funny.
ice is not funny at
Yeah.
all.
But
No.
this is Songkran, so there is no rule. Happy New
Little bit
Year.
not cold, please!
Yeah, but
Ah, with ice, I don't want.
ah, ça va. So guys, when it's hot water, it's okay, but when it's cold water, it's like terrible. Yeah.
Like now we are in Thai. Now we are like this. Oi, sorry, different colors. Sorry for this video today. It's not clear because through the plastic bag, but we will enjoy.
So we're in Chaweng now, Beach Road, and look at that traffic jam. I didn't see a traffic jam on Chaweng for months, guys. Only in Songkran. But not much water around because no tourists, nobody in the hotels. No tourists over there. So be prepared for cold water.
I think we can stop and get fun too. Let's go. Lamai Chaweng.
And of course it's not like normal situation, but it's not bad. Looks much better with this atmosphere.
Oh!
The solo bar. It's like in Lamai, only in the center. But after when you go out of the center, you know, pretty normal day. But it's nice.
Laggy. I want to stop there.
We're now gonna go to have a swim next to the Sin Beach Club because we need some hot water. One shot. Nice shot.
Let's see. How is it? Yeah.
Mai to everyone. Hope to have a good new Thai year, guys. Look at that. People are coming back. Of course, it's not normal, but much better. Enjoy. Party time in Thailand because of Songkran. As you can see, a lot of people